So this is baby Farah eating sweet potatoes for the first time. And let's see how she likes it. Do you like it, baby Farah? Do you like it, honey? Is that a no?
Like your father with green beans.
Yeah, just like how Dad was.
Still doing it.
You can do it, sweetie.
Let's try it one more time, honey. You have
And
to
the
get to.
mohawk, of course, adds to it.
She is a girl. Oh, honey. Okay, you don't want it. Oh. But then she acts like she wants it again. We did this with applesauce for a few days, and then she started liking applesauce. So
Applesauce. Come on.
this is really yummy, Farah. You're okay. Just eat it. Oh. She's like spitting it out and wiping it on me. Oh.
God, it's just too much.
But then she looks for it again. What do you think? What do you think? No? She doesn't want it.